Hi everyone, it's Cajun DIY Diva. We're in Key West today. We're at the Fairfield Inn and Suites. This is on, I believe, Roosevelt Boulevard. It's at the north end of Key West, but it is a great place to stay if you are on a budget. One of the least expensive hotel rooms, and it has breakfast, hot breakfast. It has a shuttle to the main touristy areas. Um, and they give you a couple of drink tickets for the pool bar. I'm showing you the types of outlets that they have. They have a drawer. It's just your basic Fairfield Inn hotel room. They have a drawer for storage. They have um, coffee pot, microwave, and little refrigerator. So that's helpful to keep snacks if you're traveling with kids. Um, Small built-in closet. It has a barn door style door for the bathroom. Um, the room, the hotel seems relatively well maintained. It is showing its age a little bit, and it does have exterior corridors, but felt totally safe at this place. No problems. Um, the roosters wander around. The roosters and chickens wander around and they roost in the trees in the evening. So if you don't like chickens, don't go to Key West because they're everywhere. But this was a great little room. We spent a couple of nights here and really enjoyed our stay. Very comfortable and comfortable beds, and it was great. So please click subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.